Hey guys, welcome back. This is Anya. This video I'd like to talk about a very little component on the battery pack. Recently, a customer ordered the EVE668 Ah lithium iron phosphate battery cell brand new grade A from us and ordered the DIY box kit from another supplier. Yes, let's see over there. Yes, because at present, our samples still didn't release out. Those DIY box kits arrived to our warehouse and the customer also visits us to verify the box kit, the battery cell from our factory. I found a very interesting and little components on the DIY box kit and compared to our box kit. That is the busbar. This one is the DIY box kit from the other supplier. We will with this busbar. And this one is for our DIY box kit. You can see our design here. Yes, this is our DIY box kit. We'll use the busbar. And let's see the detailed size of these three type of the busbar. Yeah. This one is from other supplier of the DIY box kit. This is our battery cell with the busbar, and this is our DIY box kit. We'll use this busbar. For the thickness, both of them, these two type is in same thickness, 2 millimeter. For the length, for the thickness, it is 30. The length is 98. And for this one, the length is 35. The length is 108 millimeter. For this one, it is very thicker. The width is 35. The length is 109 millimeter. And you guys, if you compare both three types, the main difference between them is the length. So let's see why these two designs have more longer of the length. So let me show you the details on our battery cell. This is the brand new grade A EVE668 Ah, and the thickness of this battery cell is 73 millimeter. So the pole distance between each of the cell is 72 millimeter around. Firstly, it is the customer provide the DIY box kit, and let's put it here. So from here, you will see this busbar didn't contain all the pole area. There's still left here, right? And if we use this busbar, you can see this busbar contains all the area. And let's change this design. It is also contains all area. So you can see the current past the pole can contact with the busbar and can be more stable for the current pass. So this is actually a very little, the small components for the battery pack. We still consider the more longer of the busbar can be more better for the current pass. So how do you think about those design for the busbar? Drop your comment below. And in StarMax, if you buy the battery cell from us and you can send your DIY box kits from other suppliers, we offer the assemble service for you. If you want to know more details about it, please contact with our sales freely. And this is Anya. See you next video. Bye bye.